Tracking inventory and COGS, cost of goods sold, using accounting software is a crucial step in managing your business finances. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using software that makes it simple and efficient. Stick around until the end for an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using, available only for my viewers. First, let's dive into tracking inventory. When you track inventory in accounting software, you need to ensure that your products are being counted accurately. You can set up inventory items within the software, which allows you to input the cost of each item, the quantity on hand, and the sales price. The system automatically updates your inventory levels as products are purchased or sold, helping you avoid overstocking or running out of items. Now, the key here is to link your inventory with your financial accounts. When a sale is made, the software will automatically adjust your inventory and record the revenue in your income statement. This makes tracking your sales easy and ensures you have real-time data on what's in stock and what's moving fast. Next, let's talk about tracking COGS. Cost of goods sold is essentially the direct costs tied to the production of the goods you sell, such as the materials and labor involved. With accounting software, COGS is automatically calculated when an item is sold based on the inventory cost you entered. This saves you time from manually tracking every single sale and item. To make sure your COGS is calculated correctly, the software will typically use one of two methods: FIFO, first in, first out, or LIFO, last in, first out. FIFO assumes that the oldest inventory items are sold first, while LIFO assumes that the most recent items are sold first. You can choose which method suits your business best, and your software will adjust accordingly. Now, how do you ensure everything is integrated? After setting up your inventory and COGS parameters, you'll need to generate regular reports. The software will provide you with detailed income statements and balance sheets, giving you insights into the financial health of your business. These reports are key to understanding your margins and ensuring you're making a profit on each sale. If you're using our recommended software, this is all done for you automatically. You won't have to worry about manual calculations or updating everything yourself. It's all streamlined in the background, letting you focus on growing your business. And if you want to follow along, I've got a free trial in the description below, exclusive for viewers of this channel. Key takeaway here: accurate inventory tracking and COGS calculations are essential for managing your business finances. By using the right software, you can automate both processes, save time, and make more informed decisions. Quick revision: set up your inventory in the software with product details, choose FIFO or LIFO for COGS tracking, and rely on automated reports for accurate financial insights. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to try out the software we've used today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.